Okay, so in this video I'm gonna explain how you can complete milestones in Monopoly Go. So basically if we go to the current tournament that's going on and we press right here on the glasses, in this case it says complete milestones to win. So basically you have 25 gifts in total that you can receive from this tournament before it runs out, obviously. Now, how do you complete the milestones? Well, we complete the milestones by pressing on this I button right here. You will be able to read how you can complete milestones for the current tournament that's going on. So for our case, we have to land on these tiles. We gotta get a shutdown or we gotta complete some bank heists. So for each individual tournament and milestones, you have to see, if you're not familiar with it, you actually gotta press on this I icon right here in the top left corner, and you have to read this, how you can gain points. So this also, what you need to pay attention to is that this stacks with multipliers. So for example, I have ×5 right here, so blocked it will give me 10, and 4 by 5 it will give me 20 for a successful shutdown, so on and so forth. So this works with multipliers as well, and that's pretty much how you complete milestones in Monopoly Go. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.